Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and here is our GBP/USD charts. So on this video we're going to give you guys the analysis for the GBP/USD on the 2-hour time frame. So if you're new to our videos, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. So if you have been watching my video on this particular pair, I told you guys that this pair is bullish, is long-term bullish. As it break through this, as this line was broken, this particular downward channel was broken, I told you guys that it was going to keep going bullish, and that's what has been happening for a couple of days. We saw how price was able to break this particular area. This was a point of interest. This area was the supply zone. This was a demand zone. We saw how price was able to break through this particular area, and we can actually see how price fell back down and came and retested this demand zone. We saw how price came and retested this particular demand zone, or what would you call a support zone, and price has been bullish ever since then. We're seeing higher highs and higher lows forming in the 2-hour time frame. So what are we expecting? We're expecting price to at least go back and hit this particular plus, this area again, before we're gonna see if price will keep going bullish or not, because this is an area where we're expecting the buyers or the sellers to fight, because this is actually an area where we're supposed to sell. So when price will hit that area again, we are gonna see what's gonna happen. But my overall reaction is that this pair should keep going bullish. Do you know why? Because we can see that for a couple of hours right now, price has formed a support instead around this area, and now we're seeing a new support forming around this area. So we're seeing more of like a higher high, higher low as time goes on. If I go to the 1-hour time frame, you can clearly see what I'm talking about. Yeah, we are seeing more of a higher high, higher low forming, as we can see how these previous little resistance areas were broken and price has been going bullish. We saw how this resistance area was retested at this particular area. You see, when price broke through this particular resistance area with a strong candle, there was a retest, and now this resistance area became a new support area for this particular pair. So hopefully we're expecting price to keep going bullish. When it hits this area, this is where we're going to be expecting the sellers to come in and fight with the bulls. We can't just say, okay, the bulls are going to win, because this is where we're going to know if the bulls will win or not, this particular area. So whatever happens here is a point of interest. I'm going to see what happens here before I will know the future of this particular pair. But I'm expecting price to bounce a little bit to the downside and move to the upside according to my reaction. But if I see a strong candle forming to the downside, and that candle keeps forming and breaking this particular areas, then I should be thinking about something else. So that is my reaction for the GBP/USD. You want to join our group on Telegram where we share free signals and insights on the market? I will leave the links in the description. You want to join our preferred broker with low spreads and low transaction fee? I will also leave the links in the description. With that said, thanks for watching. Bye.